In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow 2026 guide. If you've ever struggled to neatly organize information on your site, bullet points are a quick, accessible way to make content easy to scan and understand. I'll walk you through the exact flow in Webflow's designer and share a few tips so your lists look polished and consistent. Start by going to Webflow and opening the project and page where you want the list to live. Make sure you're in the designer view, not the editor, so you can add and style elements. It helps to click into the section, container, or div block where the list should appear, so when you add it, it lands exactly where you expect on the canvas. Open the add panel. This is where all the core elements live. And if you like shortcuts, you can press the A key to toggle it. You'll see layout elements, typography, media, and more. Having the parent element selected first ensures the new list will nest in the right place, keeping your structure tidy and predictable in the navigator. Find the list element and add it to the page. You can click it or drag it directly into your chosen section. Webflow will create a list wrapper with a few default list items inside. Each item is ready for text, so you can click and type immediately. If you need more items, duplicate an existing one or press Enter at the end of an item to create another. If you drop it in the wrong spot, just drag the list to the correct location in the navigator. Choose bullets as the style. By default, lists often appear as unordered lists, but explicitly setting bullets keeps things consistent across your project. This tells Webflow to use an unordered list rather than numbers. If you're matching a design system, you can refine the bullet type in your styles, but selecting bullets is the key step to get that classic, simple marker next to each item. Now customize. Add your text, adjust spacing, and style the list so it matches your brand. Give the list a class name to control typography, color, and line height. Tweak indentation and gap between items with padding or margin on the list or list items. To align bullet color with your text, set the text color on the list item. Bullets inherit that automatically. Keep lists concise and parallel in structure for readability, and test at different breakpoints to ensure indentation and wrapping look clean on mobile. That's it. You've added bullet points in Webflow, set the correct style, and tailored the look to your design. Nice work and happy building.